Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to Mathematics and EPH. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students out. Alright, so let's look at the problem on the board. It says if the sum and product of two numbers is 34 and 288 respectively, find the sum of their cubes. So how do we solve this? Our solution, okay, let the numbers b, m, and n respectively. Okay. Now the question says their sum is what 34. So m plus n is what 34. Sum means plus. Okay. And their product, okay, is this. So m times n is what 288. All right. So we want to find their cubes. Okay. For their cubes, we have m cubed plus, okay, now the sum of their cubes. So we have m cubed plus n cubed is equals to what? So that is what the question is asking us to find. But this, okay, has a relationship with this. So we can simply write this as what? So we have m plus what? N, all right, in bracket, multiply. Now if you use this to divide this, you are going to get your m squared minus mn plus n squared. All right. So with this, we can be able to solve this problem. For now, we want to work on this part. All right. Already we know this part as what? 34. So this is our 34. Well, how do we solve for this part? Now for the fact that we have square here and square here, we can apply, okay, if I have m plus n, okay, squared. So let's see how this relates with this. So m plus n squared is equals to what? We have m times n is m squared. Product of these two is n, so we have plus, okay, 2nn, and this squared is what? Plus n squared. All right, so now that we have something like this, we can now be able to solve, all right, for our, okay, m plus n squared equals this. So we want to manipulate this in such a way that it gives us this. All right, so how do we do that? Remember our m plus n here is 34. So I have 34 squared is equals to what? Or this, okay, which is what? Our m squared plus, okay, 2mn, all right, plus what? Our n squared. Now, how do we, manipulate, all right, this center point in such a way that we are going to get minus mn, all right? So the idea is we want to manipulate this so that we are going to get m what? Squared minus what? mn at the center. All I need to do is I'm going to subtract 3 mn, and I'm also going to subtract 3 mn. Okay? Now, if I do that, you are going to see that plus 2mn minus 3mn is minus mn. All right? So we have all these plus what? Our n squared. So it means this is simply. So what is our 34 squared? It is 1156 minus we have 3 multiply our mn here is 288. So we are going to substitute 288. All right. So with this, so if we solve this, we are going to get the value of, okay, this expression, which is this. All right, so let's work this out to see what it gives us. So it's going to be, we have 1156 minus, okay, so 3 times this is going to give us what we have 864. All right, so with that, we can now come back, okay, to this, expression. So let's come back here. So we have our n cubed plus our n cubed is equals. Remember, this is already what? 34. So we have a bracket. So all these we have solved, okay, as this. So we have 1156 minus what? 864. All right. So all we have to do here is we just have to solve this, okay, to be able to get our answer to this problem. So let's solve it and see what we are going to get. So I have my m cubed plus n cubed is equals 34 multiplied by. Now let's subtract this, okay. I have 1156 minus what? 4. Okay, we have 800 and what? 64. Okay, so this minus this is 2. All right, so we have 15 here minus this is what? 9. All right, so 10 minus this is what? 2. So we have it as 290 what? 2. All right, so our m cubed plus n cubed is going to be what? Now all we need to do is we are going to multiply these 2. And let's see what that is going to give us. Now we're going to get 9,928 if you simply multiply those two. All right, so that gives us a simple answer to this problem. So our answer is 9,928. Okay, now you guys are watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button, do what to subscribe to the channel and share this video to someone out there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.